Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing vlog for today. So we've got a new without further ado, so just gonna have to open this up. Okay, just gonna have to open this up. So yeah, and let's get a new unboxing. Yes, and then it's gonna be an unboxing for today. Alright, so so but I believe this is from the eBay that I bought, right? So got some full of papers. Okay, so that's one, and then also I believe this is the product, right? And so check some accessories. Okay, no more accessories. Okay, so this is just only the product. Okay, this is only the product, so I'm gonna have to check it out. So it put on the Amazon, okay, box parcel. Okay, so this is the Amazon Kindle. This is the Amazon Kindle 4th generation, and it's also a touch screen, right? So there we go, look at that. So I already have an Amazon Kindle. Alright, so yes, okay, and then I think how to open this one. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check it out. So let's go, so it also has a like this one. Alright, so there it goes, and then where's the power button over here, right? So yeah, this is an e-ink, right? So this is an electronic ink and electronic reader, right? So yeah, I don't know where's the power button for this one, right? So micro USB supported, supports micro USB. So I believe this is the button. I'm gonna have to turn it on. Okay, oh there, okay, so this is the power button. So I'm gonna have to put it back on this one right over here, right? So I'm gonna have to put it back on. Okay, there we go. So it's already full charge, right? So what is this one right over here? So touch screen. So it is a full touch screen, right? So there you go. So now this is the right? So for the I think that is the home button, right? So yeah, there you go. And then yeah, and then okay, there's also I believe there's a cloud and also the device. So I don't want, is this the settings for this one? Okay, there you go, is the settings, right? So turn off wireless, share Kindle store, cover view, settings, 6 I'm gonna have to turn on the okay, what is that? Okay, it's turn on wireless. Okay, yes, okay, it's not okay. How to right? So yeah, it's just not still, what is this one? I just turned off the wireless. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put it back on again. There we go. We have to go to the settings. Okay, there we go. We got the Wi-Fi networks. Window wireless is turned off. Okay, I'm gonna have to check. Alright, so there you go. So I'm gonna have to go. Okay, so I just already connected. To the network. So device is any content portion in the store or registered my user shown below unregistered. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to go back, I think so. Alright, so but right here is So it is full touchscreen, right? So this is nice. Okay, this is nice. Okay, the case of the missing boyfriend. Okay, too many ebooks right over here, but also sample, right? There are samples, so free. I'm gonna have to go some free. Okay, there's some free right over here. Right, so South India and Kerala. Okay, the Great Shark Hunt is different, yeah, Under 5, and then Stephen Fry. Oh, there's also free, right? So there are some free books right available in the Amazon, right? Kindle. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to connect also my, I think I'm gonna have to connect also my Amazon account right over here, right? So I think they also have some bunch of free books, right, available in their library. So I'm gonna have to check that one, and also I'm gonna have to shop Kindle store. There you go. That's yeah. Yep, the internet is still really good, right? There you go. Yep, alright. So browse categories, you can the deal, yesteryear dinner party, lift me up. Okay. Leon Moriarty. Okay. New release, Vegas have still new release books from the Kindle store, right? So yeah, and then browse categories if you want to browse some categories, right? So they got some audible audiobooks also right over here. Alright, okay, they got some, romance, mystery, thriller, suspense, science fiction, and fantasy, biographies and memories, audible books. See all book categories. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put some mystery, thriller, suspense. There you go. So yeah, Project Hail Mary. Okay. Yeah, Kindle Unlimited. Yesterday, a Jimmy book classic and another. So Project Hail Mary is from the book, right? So yes, yeah, nice. All right, perfect. So I already have Amazon Kindle also, right? So yeah. Right after from the Nook, I now also has the Amazon Kindle, the third, and this is the fourth generation, right? So this is the home, right? So this is the home, yeah. Okay, we got some. This is cloud that available here. Okay. So this is the device. Okay, we got some recent. So yeah, and then oh, nice. Okay, got some books right over here. So turn the Wi-Fi, so hoping that so I'm gonna go to the settings again. So I'm gonna have to device options, so device time, I'm gonna have to what time is it? Okay, alright, so we got it. Okay, it's I think it's 3:59. So 4 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna have to set that. There you go. And then yeah, it's only the time. It doesn't have a date. Okay, it's just only a time, right? So there you go. Yeah, registration. So what's this? So if you already have an Amazon account, enter the email address and password associated with your account. If you alright, yeah. So I'm gonna have to do that later. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna still have to explore it. So I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a review for this one, and also I'm gonna make also a comparison for the Nook. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. So, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching, and also I hope you enjoy, and thank you. And yeah, it comes with a hard case also, right? Thank you, and alright, so see you again on the next video, everyone.